Hey team, just want to do a quick video on how to track our weight loss. So that's week to week. For you guys doing the challenge, obviously we'll track it all the way through that as well. We all probably know by now that our weight can fluctuate from day to day or throughout the week. There are a few things that do affect this, and some of those factors are in fact our food. So how much food you've actually had to eat throughout a day and how that's affecting you. So if you're bloated or if you're holding onto the food or if it's taking a while to digest, that's going to obviously affect our weight throughout that day. Our hydration, so how much water you've actually had to drink or if you are dehydrated as well. Your sleep, so how many hours sleep you've had and the quality of that sleep, if you are well rested or not. And also our hormone levels will definitely play a part in affecting our overall weight. One of the ways that we can avoid this and try and take out some of that fluctuation is actually taking an average of our weight throughout the week. So weighing in at the exact same time every day, taking that weight and that measure and then adding them all together at the end of the week. So for this we've got all 7 days, all added up, getting to our total and then dividing it by the amount of days you've weighed in. So for us it's 552 divided by the 7 days that we've weighed in, and that's giving us an average weight of 78.9 kilos for that week that we've done it there. So obviously, you might have a kilo up and down each day. For some people it might be a little bit more. This is the easiest way to take that fluctuation out and actually get a really good look at what your actual weight is for that week. When doing this, we've got to obviously make sure we're doing it as accurately as we can and taking away as many external factors as possible. So a couple of those things is going to be always using the exact same set of scales. So if you want to use your bathroom scales at home, that's completely fine. Just make sure that you're always using those scales and only comparing them to themselves. And if you do want to use the scales here in the studio, exact same thing. Only weigh in on those and always compare them to themselves. So that way we know that you're comparing apples to apples and there's not going to be any change in the actual machine that you're using. Also, I touched on it before, but make sure we're weighing under the exact same conditions. So conditions could be this time of day. So making sure if you do it first thing in the morning when you wake up or just before you go to bed, we always do that the exact same. And also if it is in shorts and a t-shirt, or if you're wearing shoes or not wearing shoes, make sure it is always the same. Generally, it's best if you can go shoes off, shorts and a t-shirt, little as clothing as possible, and that way you're gonna have mainly just your body weight. Because if I did it right now with trackies and a pair of shoes on, I'm probably gonna be a couple of kilos heavier than what my actual weight is. Alrighty team, hopefully that makes sense. Have a look, see how it goes, try it out.